Hello everybody. In today's video we'll be working on a Canon A-1 model. Now I've got two cameras here in front of me. One is my personal camera that I have here as a stock camera for parts or other testing purposes, and this is a customer's camera here. They came to us with a problem of not able to turn on the camera. Okay, just no matter what they do, the camera doesn't turn on. So the problem with this camera, and I took the liberty of disassembling and not wasting your time here showing you how to do it, since I've done quite a few videos of that. It should be no reason for me to be repetitive on this particular subject. But I wanted to demonstrate the problem that we found with this camera, and this has to do with this area right here. And there's a switch, power switch. It basically kind of looks like what you see here. It's a little lever that's supposed to sit over here and rotate this plastic contacts left and right to turn it on or off. So what happens here is, and it's a common occurrence unfortunately with this camera, is that these plastic tabs just wear out and break. And pretty much you're not able to, if the original position wasn't off, okay, then you cannot really turn it on. So in this video, we'll basically demonstrate the process of replacing this particular contact here, and go from there. Okay, so basically this is the way it should work, like it's shown on this camera. On this one I can't even do it because these plastic tabs here are all worn out. You can actually see it from here. So in any case, let's go ahead and get going. I do have a healthy replacement part that we'll use here to substitute the worn out unit. So let's go ahead and get going here. So it's a little tricky. You have to really follow the right order to remove first this metal contact. Okay. We need to get another device here. To pop it up, since it looks like it's actually stuck, and now it looks like it might be able to lift it. There we go. So this is good, but that's our culprit right here that we need to remove. So let's go ahead and do that now. There you go. Okay, so if you look here, hopefully you can see from your vantage point that pretty much these two tabs are completely worn. Not much we can do. There's ways to kind of repair it, but this is perhaps a temporary solution, and I don't want to take a chance with it. And I do have, since I have a replacement rather. So let me go ahead and clean these contacts before I place a replacement unit in there. Okay. Yeah, and for some reason it's a common occurrence. Some can be undisturbed, unbroken for 20, 30, 40 years, and some just they just break. I don't know the reasoning behind it, but that's just what it is. Okay, so we'll go ahead and place this good contact in its spot. Okay, to align this spring here. Okay, let's see, we have 1, 2, 3 multiple positions here, so looks like it's fine. Now we'll place our double exposure contact here. Okay, we might need to actually go a different route. Might actually extend it this way and then put the spring later on. Might just be easier that way because there's just too much tension. Now let's go ahead and put this contact in place. Secure the double exposure lever, which we have. Now let's go ahead and align the spring. Got one on this side. Now let's do it on the opposite side. There we go. Looks like we're good. So this is our double exposure contact. It's fine. And now this is our power. Let's double check. This spring is out of position. Now it is in position. Okay, so this right here is our lock position. If I do a battery check, I got no LED indication. Now if I move it in the on position, I do see a light. So we're good here. I'm gonna go ahead and reassemble this camera. This time I will show you the process of putting everything back together. Just gonna go ahead and put a little drop of fresh solder on the reset switch. Okay. Okay, now let's go ahead and place our contact. Here's the washer. And here's our C-clamp. Perfect. All right. Good. Right, so a couple more things and we should be done. This is a little LED washer. Okay, and then we'll put this rubber cap back in place. Perfect. Everything looks good here. I think that'll do it for this video. Thank you for watching.